Good morning, students. Students, this is Ms. Priya Rathore, and today I am with English subject. So, students, please take out your English workbook. And in English workbook, today we are going to do practice. Fine. So, please open the page number 3535. Okay. As you all know that we had done capital A to J on page number 3434. So, here we are going to do write small a to small j on page number 3535, isn't it? So let's start writing. Please mark on classwork and please mention today's date over here. Fine. So here, as you can see written over here, letters A to J. So please write, speak and write. And parents, you can see the dots how I mentioned over here. In the same way you can mention the dots, because in small alphabets all the letters are not start with red line. So some are start from the red line and some are start from the blue line. So please see to it and please mention the same. If your word is not able to write without that, so you can mention it. Otherwise you can ask your child to write it easily. So write it over here. Small a, small b, small c, small t, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j. Now again, small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j. Okay, here also we will do the practice over here. A apple, B ball, C cat, T talk, E elephant, F fish, G grapes, H horse, I ice cream, J joker. Again write A apple, B ball, C cat, D dog, E elephant, F fish, G grapes, H horse, I ice cream, and J jam. So in the same way you have to complete your page number 3535 in your English workbook, and make sure your writing should be neat and clean. Then I'll give you 3 stars. Okay. Now after completing the page number 3535, please turn your page and take out the page number 3636 and 3737. Students, here we are going to do practice of capital K and small k as well. Fine. So please mention today's date over here and put tick on classwork. Here we are going to do write letter K. It's capital K, as you all know. And what's the sound of K? K ka kitten, isn't it? So let's start tracing. Keep a pencil on red line, make one standing line till blue line. Then the second step is red line to blue line, make one slant line. Again a slant line from blue line to blue line. It's capital letter K. Which letter is this? Capital letter K. Now speak and write. K kitten, K cattle, K kangaroo, K kennel, K keyboard, K ka kiwi. K ka kit. K ka key. So students, in the same way you have to complete the whole page. Okay, on page number 3636. Now let's move on page number 3737. Okay, here also we have to do the practice, but it should be in small form. It's small k. So please put check on classwork and mention today's date. Okay, it is small k, but the sounds are same. So speak and write with me. Keep a pencil on red line, come to the blue line, make one standing line. Blue line to blue line, make one slant line, then again a slant line. It's small k. Small letter K, isn't it? Now start writing. Standing line, slanting line, again a slanting line. Small letter K. K ka koala. K ka kitten. K ka kangaroo. K ka canal. K ka key. K ka kit. Okay students, so in the same way you have to complete the whole page. Same you have to fill the page number 36 and 37 as well. Okay, thank you.